Sounds of the Space Age, Flexi Disc Record, Side 2.
Like men climbing one another's shoulders, the Apollo flights of 1969 climbed step by step toward a landing on the moon. In March, Apollo 9 successfully tests the docking procedures. In May, Apollo 10 performs a dramatic dress rehearsal. The landing craft Snoopy drops to within 9 miles of the moon's surface, as Charlie Brown, the command ship, orbits far overhead.
Oh, Houston, this is Snoopy. Right, Snoop, go ahead. We is going, we is down among us, Charlie. Right, I hear you weaving your way up the freeway.
Then crisis. Snoopy begins to tumble as it sheds its descent stage before blasting itself toward a rendezvous with the command ship.
Something went wild on that staging. Charlie Brown, Houston, they got staging. They had a wild gyration, though. Oh, I don't know what the hell that was, Dave. Snoop, Houston, you're looking okay for the insertion burn. Okay, baby, let's make this one. 3, 2, 1, burn. Burn it? Okay. 160 to go. Roger, Snoop, you're burning. To go. You're burning. 78 to go. 50 to go. 20 to go. Stand by, Tom. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Charlie Brown, Houston, you got the burn off. We're in good shape.
The stage was set for history's most momentous exploration. Wednesday, July the 16th, Cape Kennedy, Florida.
The target for the Apollo 11 astronauts, the moon, at liftoff will be at a distance of 218,096 miles away. 2, 1, 0, liftoff.
A perfect launch and a perfect 4-day flight. On Sunday, July 20th, Neil A. Armstrong and Edwin Buzz Aldrin in the landing craft Eagle leave Michael Collins in the command ship Columbia and descend to the moon's surface.
Okay, all flight controllers, go for landing. Retro. Go. Righto. Go. Guidance. Go. Control. Go. ENC. Go. Roger, copy. Surgeon. Go. Capcom, we're go for landing. Eagle, Houston, you're go for landing.
Riding a wing of flame, Eagle breaks down toward the crater-scarred Sea of Tranquility.
Eagle looking great. You're go. Forward. Forward. 30 feet down, 2.5. Picking up some dust. 30 feet, 2.5 down. Big shadow. 4 forward. 4 forward. Drifting to the right a little. Down a half. 30 seconds forward. Contact light. Okay, engine stop. HTA and a descent. Mode control, mode auto, descent engine command override off. Engine arm off. 413 is in. We copy you down, Eagle. Listen, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.
It is a long early morning on the moon, but on the busy Earth time seems to stop, as 600 million human beings share the greatest drama, watching and listening as Neil Armstrong opens the hatch and starts down the ladder. Aldrin guides him from above.
How am I doing? You're doing fine. Okay, Houston, I'm on the porch. Roger, Neil. And we're getting a picture on the TV, so we can see you coming down the ladder now. I'm at the foot of the ladder. That's one small step for man. One giant leap for mankind. There seems to be no difficulty in moving around it as we suspected. It's quite dark here in the shadow. A little hard for me to see it. I have good footing. And there's a stark beauty all its own. It's like much of the high desert of the United States. Okay, ready for me to come out? Okay, you're right at the edge of the porch. It's a very simple matter to hop down from one step to the next. Beautiful, beautiful. Isn't that something? Magnificent sight out here. Magnificent desolation. We'll read the plaque that's on the front landing gear of this lamp. It says, "Dear men from the planet Earth, first step foot upon the moon. 1969. It came in peace for all mankind.
We have reached the moon and looked beyond it to our fellow planets of the solar system. But the best view of all is back toward the Earth and the essential brotherhood of all of the men upon it. Tomorrow, together, where might we not go?
3, 2, liftoff. We have liftoff. The tower is clear.
I hope you enjoyed the video set of this flexi-disc record of Neil Armstrong, Man on the Moon. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.